Damn, bruh. This is how the moon look from the galley, bruh. I'm giving you views from the galley, man. You can hear with the dog outside barking, all the people talking. You know what I'm saying? We in the galley, bruh. Go check out my last video. You will see that we in the galley for real. But that's the moon view from the galley. That's crazy. Look at that. I used to live like, is it west? I used to live on the east side of the moon, where it is right now. On the east, down there. And it never looked so beautiful, bruh. Now we in the galley and I'm seeing the moon from the views of the galley. It's like crazy. Dang. Even the dog is going crazy over there. She. That's views from the galley for you. You feel